In this video, I'll show you how to find winning products to sell on Shopify using Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, tell Claude exactly what type of products you're interested in selling. For example, you can ask for trending products, problem-solving products, impulse buy products, or products within a specific niche. After that, use a prompt like, find 20 potential winning products for a Shopify store in the pet niche with strong demand and low competition. Now, review the product ideas that Claude generates. Look for products that solve a problem, have broad appeal, and can be marketed with engaging content. Next, ask Claude to analyze each product idea. You can request target audiences, marketing angles, customer pain points, and potential advertising ideas. After that, ask Claude to compare the products and rank them based on their potential for sales and profitability. Now, take the most promising products and research them further using platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, or other marketplaces to validate demand. Next, return to Claude and ask it to help create product descriptions, add copy, landing page content, and marketing strategies for the products you've selected. Finally, choose the product that shows the strongest potential and add it to your Shopify store to begin testing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find winning products to sell on Shopify using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.